Hypertensive patient of age 68 years came for his regular checkup, and his BP was 146 by 88 mmHg last week, and he's on amlodipine 10 mg daily, hydrochlorothiazide 25 mg daily, and quinapril 40 mg daily. So before jumping into the question, let's discuss about the drugs which the patient is taking. So amlodipine. So amlodipine is nothing but an calcium channel blocker. So calcium channel blocker. So it blocks the calcium influx into the smooth muscles. Thereby, it causes vasodilation, and thereby it decreases the peripheral resistance, and thus decreasing the BP. And next is hydrochlorothiazide. So hydrochlorothiazide is thiazide diuretic. So it's a thiazide diuretic. So it's a diuretic. It acts by inhibiting the sodium chloride co-transport system in the distal convoluted tubule. So thereby it increases the excretion of sodium and water, and there is also a loss of potassium. So it increases the excretion of urine, and thereby it decreases the blood pressure. So blood volume is decreased, and thereby the blood pressure is also decreased. And then moving on to the quinapril. So quinapril is an AC inhibitor. AC inhibitor is the one which acts in the renin, angiotensin, aldosterone system. So it prevents the conversion of angiotensin 1 to angiotensin 2 by inhibiting the angiotensin converting enzyme. So by inhibiting this enzyme, angiotensin to conversion is prevented, and thus vasoconstriction is prevented, and thereby it reduces the BP. So these are all the drugs which are given to the patient. Next, moving on to the query. So now the patient asks a question to the physician that whether he can take his blood pressure medications at night, because he read in some online seems that blood pressure medications when taken at night, it controls the blood pressure very well. So he has this doubt. Now moving on to the interpretation. So there is a trial conducted, so the HYGEA trial conducted. In that trial, they found that when the patient takes his blood pressure medications at night time, there is a reduction in the cardiovascular endpoints such as coronary revascularization, CV death, heart failure, and even myocardial infarction and stroke up to 45%. So nearly 45% of these are reduced when the patient takes blood pressure medications at the night time rather than after awakening. So what can be the interpretation from this? What all can we recommend? When we see this trial, there is also another interpretation that there is no clear suggestion of which medication causes this reduction, which blood pressure medication causes this reduction. So what can we suggest? Another positive point. So 45% of this cardiovascular endpoints has been reduced. So what medication can we shift from morning to night? So we have amlodipine, and we have quinapril, and we have hydrochlorothiazide. So these three medications. So now when we see this hydrochlorothiazide, it's a diuretic. So as we know that it causes increased urination, it cannot be given at night. So because it causes nocturia. And quinapril, its activities in renin, angiotensin, aldosterone system, and we know that renin, angiotensin, aldosterone system activity is peak at night. So can we suggest quinapril to be taken at night? This cannot be taken at night. We can suggest him to take it in the morning, and amlodipine can be taken either in the morning overnight. There is no issue. Advice to the patient. So advice to the patient is he has to just shift his quinapril to night, and rest two medications, amlo and hydrochlorothiazide, should be taken only in the morning. And the goal is to reduce his blood pressure below 130/80, and so we must suggest him to check his regular blood pressure daily. So these are the advices given to the patient. So just subscribe this channel, and you can find the link of our Instagram page below. Thank you. Have a nice day.